Alden, it's your update. May napasaya pa nga si Alden na isang fans. Yung nanay niya ay solid fans ni Alden, you know. Sa ito yung interview kay Alden.
Doing events like this to be immersed in the presence of my supporters, kasi ever since a lot of people who really know me personally, I never really neglected the fact that time is a very valuable gift you can give to someone, most especially your supporters, diba? Tanagal-tagal ko sa industriya, hindi pa ako talaga nakagawa ng isang malakihang event sa community kung saan ako lumaki. It's just a small thing to say thank you and to show my gratitude to these people who have supported me, especially sa mga kababayan ko sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. The essence of everything we're doing for my 15th anniversary is giving back.
Ito yung mga interview ni Alden. Gwapo ni Alden sa
Actually, Ronald McDonald's House Charities has been here since 1995. And me being an ambassador of McDonald's for more than a decade already, parang this is a transition, not a transition technically, but it gives more purpose and value to me being an ambassador of McDonald's, kasi I think that's one of the secrets and isa sa mga dapat natin laging pinuput in mind now. If ever we're like Dr. George and of course Sir Kenneth, silang head ng McDonald's Philippines, for them to be successful, kailangan we always give back to the community that has na nagbigay sa atin na pwesto in the community that we're living in, which is McDonald's. So, the Bahay Bulilit, I'm also an advocate for education. I also have my own foundation for scholars. And when I was told that I was invited to come here, sabi ko, I would support the cause. And ganun kasi parang I'm living my life right now to give back to the community and to the people especially.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Twitch Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.